Hi guys, today I will show you a simple tutorial that we have made about crypto. First we'll show you what is crypto, then how to make a wallet in MetaMask, and then here let me give you an example. Meta is an extension which provides you with a wallet. It doesn't require verification, that's why it's much easier to use than Binance, which require an ID document and so on, and you can easily make a wallet without having to verify yourself. Here you see all your work tokens and your other tokens, your account, your address on which you can receive all of your wallet, all of your coins and so on. Everything is in the video. We'll show you how to swap our work token for BitTorrent in PancakeSwap, and we'll also show you how to buy crypto from PancakeSwap. The minimum is $30, but don't worry about it. If you use a different currency than dollars, then the minimum may be different, but in the end it's approximately $30 still. Here we will show you how you can buy items with crypto on eBay from our store. We don't have many items yet, but we will add more, and after that you will be able to pick from a variety of selections that you can use with crypto. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or just send us a contact or a form on sa.free.bg. That is our website. Bye guys.